Kuringana na commission ya utungata wa borithi bururi-ini, maabitha acio mugwanja matiagirire gukorwo makiruta wira wa borithi. Mari gikundi-ini kia maabitha 31 aria commission iyo yendekithirie mathuthurio makiria. Umwe wao Nelson Nyakundi uria urabatite ngathi ya utongoria na gukinyira gikiro gia superintendent atumirite maratathi mene ma githomo niguo one wira wa borithi uria arutete miaka 22 atari amenyeka.
And we must thank members of the public. Some members of the public and officers within the National Police Service, being privy to information that the Commission did not have at that time, informed us. And we also want to thank the media, because the media also highlighted the case of Mr. Nelson Omwenga Nyakundi, and they indicated that they had information to the effect that Mr. Nyakundi had used a certificate that did not belong to him.
Maafitha agi atatu agi kiro gia superintendent ni Samuel Kipwese, Jackson Mugambo na Jackson Olenkiti onaone mafuteto wera. Nao agi ana agi kiro kia iguru kia superintendent ni Lawrence Kariuki, William Kiprotich, Joseph Kemboi na Peter Chemos ni moiro ikinya otareu. Maafitha 24 matinanyitekana mahitia. No ona kuri o uguo munene wa commission iyo ni ugite tiundu wa hitho ati no kuri na borithi angi matakinyetie ikiro iria ciagirire na makiria cia githomo kana matumirite maratathi matari mao niguo mone wira na no muhaka moero ikinya. Commission iyo ni tanyete guthie na mbere na uthuthuria kumurika kinya maafitha a borithi aria matungataga barabara-ini na makiria aria makuruhanitio na ungumania. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Gladys Kego.